Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Kay, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing the Tribe Beauty Box. Now I say unboxing, I've already unboxed it. I haven't opened up everything in its entirety, but the simple reason that I've unboxed it before filming it is because I didn't realise that it was my Tribe Beauty Box. This is how it came. So normally it comes in a little pink box with Tribe Beauty branding on it, and you can clearly see from the outside of the box what it is, and I just put it to one side, open it up on camera. That is what I would normally do. However, this is the box it came in, and I opened it up and it was just the products inside. So as soon as I opened it, I realised what it was. I'd seen a sneak peek on Instagram for an item that was in there, which I was very pleased to see. So I knew what it was just from that. And I did kind of inevitably have a little look to see what else was in here. So I'm going to go through it with you now and show you what's going on. There's no card or anything in this box. I have no idea of prices or anything. I don't know what's going on this month. I can only imagine it's got something to do with the current situation that's happening in the entire world right now, but I don't know. All I know is I've got a weird box, no information, so as I go through it I'm just going to have to research it a little bit afterwards and put on the screen what everything is worth. So if you already know what Tribe Beauty Box is, then I will leave a timestamp down in the comments down below so that you can skip ahead straight to the items. But if you don't know what Tribe Beauty Box is, then I'm going to give a brief little description here. But as always, I will leave all of the detailed information in the description box down below so that you can check that out at your own leisure if you wish. So Tribe Beauty Box is a bi-monthly beauty subscription service, so you get it every 2 months. It costs £37.99 for a UK subscription, but this box did originate in the US. I'm not sure of prices for the US, I only really know the UK stuff. But it does ship to the UK. It ships from Ireland, I believe, so no taxes, no extra shipping costs or anything like that. It's just the £37.99 and that's it, you're done. So that's great. Inside you usually get 5 full-size makeup or beauty related products, and the total value should be £90 or more. So as I said, I already know what's in here. I'm just going to get into it now with you and show you what's going on. I'm going to start with the star product, which for me is this. So it is the Rose Period palette from Suva Beauty. So little bit of a backstory. I ordered a mystery box probably beginning of last year, about February time. There was a palette in there, it was the saffron palette, really liked it. A few other items in there. Funnily enough, I'm actually wearing a Suva Beauty lipstick today. When they sent out the mystery boxes, they said this was new at the time, and they said they might put some into some of the mystery boxes. Hoped that I would get one because I thought it looked really pretty. Didn't get one. And you can't really get Suva Beauty palettes in this country unless you order them from Suva Beauty, which then means you've got to pay customs. So long story short, really pleased that this is in here. So that's the inner box, the inner packaging rather, and which is gorgeous. And let's just open this up. We've got a mirror on the inside, and then this is what it looks like. How pretty is that? I mean, obviously if you don't like pinks you're a bit stuck, let's say, but I actually really like wearing pinks, and those shimmer shades just look like they're going to be really pretty. If the saffron palette was anything to go by, I'm going to really enjoy this palette. So really pleased that this is in here. Really keen to give this a go, and I as I said, off the top of my head I don't know prices. I'm going to have to put them on the screen for you. I know this is probably going to work out to be around £30 ish, so $37.99 for the box. You've got a palette in here that's sort of not far off the price of the box. So yeah, really pleased to have that. Really good start. The next item is a highlighter. This is from Beauty Creations. They've teamed up with somebody called Annette69. I have no idea who that is. I'll be totally upfront and honest. I apologise. I'm sure she's lovely. But I think the packaging on this is really cute as well. And that is what it looks like. So that looks really nice. So I'm just gonna give this a little bit of a swatch. I think it might be a little bit too dark for me as a highlighter, but I do think that's really, really pretty. So I'm definitely going to give it a go. It's also got a little mirror in, so that's quite cute. Next we've got, I did see the name of the brand. Oh, it's Grace and Stella, but it's absolutely tiny. You can't really see it, and there's sort of nowhere on the box that tells you unless you're looking really hard. So let's just open this up. Oh no, there's two. I thought there was only one in here, but it's two. It just says, yep, it definitely says sponge, singular. So that's cute. So we've got a white one and a black one. I'm assuming there's a difference. The black one looks like it's probably a bit more porous than the white one. Don't know if you can see that very well on camera, but that one looks like it's definitely a bit more holy. All it says on the back of the box is, soak the sponge under warm water until sponge expands and is soft. Gently cleanse your face using the sponge. Can be used with cleanser to create a rich lather. Rinse sponge and let dry after every use. We recommend removing any makeup prior to use for best results and to prolong the life of the sponge. Replace sponge every 1 to 2 months. So it doesn't even say that there's two in here. It just, and even on the side of the box it just says this charcoal activated cognac sponge is great for all skin types. So I don't know if there was supposed to be two in here. But there is. So that's cool. Next we've got something from Chemist. And this is the Rose Quartz Youth Defence Lip Plump. So it's a lip plumping gloss. And this is what it looks like. So I quite like that it's pink. Does it smell of anything? Oh, it smells a bit minty. So that's probably going to have a lovely tingling effect. Hopefully I'll get on alright with it, but obviously if you don't like minty fragranced or flavoured things, or you don't like tingling products, this probably won't be for you. The last couple of things we've got in here, they are from the same brand. It's the same kind of item, it's just different colours. We've got Mirabela lip. So these are lip liners. We've got one. Okay, so the reason I'm confused is because I was looking for shade names, and we've got this one that says Cheeky Lip Definer, and then this one just says Lip Definer. It apparently doesn't have a shade name. But it looks like a really pretty pink colour, so that's the pencil. That looks really nice and sleek and pretty. And then that's the pencil there. Just doesn't feel particularly creamy, so It's a bit of a drier formula, but that's what that looks like. It's coming off quite shocking pink on there, but it's not looking quite as vibrant on my hand. It is still pretty pink though. So that's that one. And then let's see what Cheeky looks like. So Cheeky, same sort of inner packaging, and actually looks a bit darker than it does on that label. I say label, I mean the box itself. The box looks like it's quite a bright, vibrant orangey red, but that's definitely not. And oh, that's applying a lot more easily. So let's just do it that way. That's that one. Quite keen to try those. Don't really need any more lip liners right now. I'm kind of swimming in them, but yeah, not too bad. I'm definitely more keen to try this darker one than the pink one. The pink one, I'm not sure how much use I'm going to get out of it, but I could probably make it work. We'll have to just wait and see. But that is all of the items. Quick recap then. We've got the Rose Period palette from Suva Beauty. We've got the highlighter from Beauty Creations. We've got the two cognac sponges from Grace and Stella. We've got the Skin Chemist's lip plumper, and then we've got the two Mirabela lip definer pencils. So oh, there you go, that's the name of this one right there. Nice big letters on the side of the pencil. Anyway, so overall I'm quite pleased with this month's box. I'm definitely most excited about the palette. Definitely keen to give that a try. Highlighter looked quite pretty. Not necessarily my shade, but I'll definitely give it a go. So that's cool. Lip pencils, didn't really need them, but maybe they'll be my new favourites. You never know. Lip plumper, again, not necessarily something that I'm looking for right now, but might come in useful. And the cognac sponges, I don't know if I like them. I'll have to try them, but it's definitely something that I'm willing to try. So there's nothing in this box that I'm looking at thinking, no, not interested, don't want any of this stuff. So I'd call that a pretty good win. And as I said, the cost of the box, cost of this palette, I'd use the other things. So for me this month seems to be pretty worth it. So that is everything. So over to you guys then. What do you think of this box this month? Is this a box that you have? What did you think of the contents? Is this a box that you'd be interested in getting once everything's, you know, calmed down a bit and you're looking at spending money on frivolous things like makeup and beauty and not food and essentials? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm always interested to hear other people's thoughts and opinions. And that's it from me then, guys. So as always, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Please try to stay safe and stay healthy and stay home if you can. And I will see you all again in another video very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.